Thank you for giving me a chance to introduce myself. I'm Arthur A. Piampo Jr., 33 years of age, 172 centimeter in height. I am hardworking, adaptable, and reliable butcher slaughter with 3 years experience in meat processing. I'm skilled in deboning, meat cutting, trimmings, and preparing meat products and slaughter operation. I am skilled in livestock, stunning, sticking, scalding, deherring, gambling, and evisceration, both cattle and swine, in Tupi Municipal Slaughterhouse, South Cotabato, Philippines, while following proper hygiene and safety standards. I can work efficiently in fast-paced environment, handle tools and equipment properly, and maintain cleanliness in the workplace. I am physically fit, dedicated to quality works, and able to work while both independently and as part of a team. Now, I can show you how to primal a half carcass of pork.